2 left, continues for 200. It's 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, go. 3 left, don't cut. 40, 2 left, continues for 200. Continues for 200, 40, middle over grid, and press bump into 5 left. Press bump into 5 left. Right, long over dip through bollards, into 2 right, long over crest 350, 2 right, long over crest 350, 6 left, 6 left, long, 230, keep left on entry, 6 right, tightens over grid, slip over grid, 6 right, and go 40, 3 left through dip, go on, 60 up, flat crest over middle, 100, 5 right, opens long, 5 right, and flat crest middle long, 80, middle over grid, into dip, and small crest long into 5 right over dip, 5 right over dip, 80, turn square left, very tight, square left, very tight, and flat crest middle, 80 over dip, 4 left over bump grid, through post, into 2 right over small crest, 100, crest bump, 5 right, tightness here, don't touch, keep right, 5 right, keep right, 80 down, 4 left, go on, 200, chicane left entry, 60, crest, caution crest, 4 left long falls away, 4 left long falls into bump with chicane, and 130, 3 right, 20, 1 left, 3 right, 1 left, 60, deceptive, 7 right, tightens, 9 long, 40, caution, 4 left, into crest jump, and 6 right, tightens, rocks outside, and 7 left, long hole inside, 40, 4 left, 66 left, to wide, 130, 6 right, stones inside, 150, 3 right, into crest bump, long at wall, and 6 right over crest dip, 6 right over 40, slowing to grid 7 left, grid 7 left over that, 40, 1 left, opens flat over crest, 150, 3 left, 100, middle over crest jump, big jump, 100, middle over crest jump into dip, into crest jump middle, 100 down, and chicane left entry. 40, 3 right, 150, caution, crest 5 left, don't cut, crest 5 left, don't cut, and narrows, slowing, 1 right, over grid, square left, pass post, and 7 right, 4 left, into slowing, 6 left over dip, hairpin right, 40, tight square left, rocks inside, bad camber, 7 left over crest, and 2 left, and 7 right, don't cut, 200, 1 left into middle over bump grid 80, 1 left into middle over bump grid 80, 2 left, don't cut, 2 left, don't cut, 40, 4 right, don't cut, 4 right, don't cut, 40, 3 left, 150 up middle, turn square left, rocks inside, narrow through coast, narrow on exit, 130, middle over crest, and 1 right long, middle over crest, and 1 right long, 100, 4 left over crest, 4 left over crest, 100 over dip,
That's this lad, his back bumper's still on.
Are we missing the bumper?
Yeah, you've lost the bumper.
I've got,
It's the back end of your bumper that's off the road.
Back bumper off?
The whole bumper, right?
Aye.
That's all, it's just the whole bumper's come away, there's the end of the damage.
cheers, thank you.